back to the channel, extracts from the diary of a man about town. I do hope you're enjoying the bank holiday. Right, I've got an unboxing which has kind of been unboxed. I'll explain what happened. So basically I was trying to be clever and I shot the original video in slow motion. What I didn't realize, and I don't know how, we kind of blonde moment. What I didn't realize is that obviously if you're going to shoot in slow motion, your voice projection is also going to be in slow motion. So it was just no good. But anyway, so it's been unboxed. But what it is, it's a projector. Now my godson has one of these, so I have seen it in action, a different brand. Now, full disclosure, I've actually got what I would refer to or call a proper projector. But with all the cabling and the getting the tuning it and all that and the fork, it was just what was happening is that instead of me enjoying the film, I was worried more about the technical abilities. Oh, why isn't this like this? So I haven't used it in a while, and something I would love to definitely get back to. But this is virtually pick and play. Now, I'm going to open it up and then we can talk some more about it. Now, this brand is called Magcubic. You can get it, let me just give you a bit of a, you can get it on eBay for $29.99. And let's see, oh, decent packaging, got some foam there, keeping it all in place. Oh, okay. So they didn't actually put it in a box. What they did, they just put it in some nylon, which is a bit dodgy. But anyway, let's get it out. Okay. Oh, one thing I will say with eBay, you really have to have patience because this took forever to arrive. I was actually a bit cross with the seller. But there you have it. So what would happen is, oh, why is it so stiff? You should be able to. Oh, that's very stiff. Anyway, you heard that. So basically, you just aim either towards the wall or the ceiling. Now the beauty of this is one important thing I wanted to mention is that you can take this on holiday with you because it's so small, and all you virtually need is, you know, the Wi-Fi password of the apartment or hotel you're staying in. So really, like watching you know, YouTube or watching YouTube, or even if you're one of those who takes a game console on holiday, just connecting it to your game console or your iPad, Amazon reader. Now, what has surprised me, I didn't actually realize, it actually comes with a remote control. I'm kind of surprised about that. Yeah, so it actually comes with a remote, which is a good thing because you can fine tune. So you've got your remote control, you've got obviously your this is a very strange plug. But anyway, you got your plug and you got your instruction manual booklet, which is quite thick of different languages. Obviously, for them to go out of their way to do a manual like this in so many different languages, it means I have the funny feeling that the product actually sells. Yeah, so that's about it. Like, obviously, I'm going to have to do another video just showing you, which will probably be shot in semi-darkness. Usually with projectors like this, there's no way you're going to be able to use them during the daytime. You would have to fully draw your curtains. But yeah, that's about it. Projector, which I said is called, I said Magcubic, it's actually called Magcubic, and you can get this on eBay for the cheap sum of $29.99. I'm just looking at the back and I'm going to turn it around so that you can see it, because it's the connections it's got as well. It's got, sorry, let me just do that properly. There you go. Now, if you can see that, it's got your USB connection. It's got what is that? Is that an HDMI? I'm not sure what connection that is. I'm assuming that connection is if you want to connect it to your laptop or, like I said, your Amazon Prime, Amazon. What do they call the Amazon tablets? Anyway, Amazon tablets. Yeah. So that's about it for now. Cheap as chips. The quality. I thought my godson's was okay, but then again, he projected it on my ceiling, and the curtains were kind of drawn. So, but I will give it a proper run. I'll probably try it out tonight. Watch the latest episode of Mobland, and I'll probably do another video just to let you know what I think. Anyway, that's it for now, compadres. It's Bank Holiday Sunday, Bank Holiday tomorrow. Enjoy the bank holiday. The Arsenal ladies team who won the European Cup are having the parade tomorrow, but it's an early start, 10 o'clock. I still don't know if I'm going to go or not. I think it really does depend on what mood I wake up to. And that is not to say I am a morning person, but what I mean, I might just wake up and think, oh, I can't be bothered. Which is a strong possibility. But we'll see. It would be nice to get the footage, but I don't know. We'll see. I think if I'm to be honest, if I had a much bigger subscription base, it would encourage me to definitely do it. But my base is so small that sometimes, I mean, I will always be doing this, but sometimes there's always that voice at the back of your head that, why am I doing this? No one watches it. But anyway, we'll see. Anyway, yes, enjoy the bank holiday. I've got about 2 unboxings to do, which will be posted later on this week. Okay, bye for now, compadres, au revoir.